Hey, what's up y'all, this is Charlie. On today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious smoked salmon pasta. This pasta you can get about 6 to 8 servings and it is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your smoked salmon pasta. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 9 ounces in weight of salmon, penne pasta, heavy whipping cream, salted butter, 1 medium-sized lemon, hickory liquid smoke, mesquite liquid smoke, and some shredded Parmesan cheese. And for your seasonings, you'll need some green onions, garlic, and some fresh parsley. And for your additional seasonings, you need some salt, black pepper, Tony Saturated Grill Seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Grill Seasoning or the Saffron Cajun Seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic and Chef Paul Prud'homme's Pizza and Pasta Magic, some mesquite seasoning, and some smoked paprika. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started by chopping 3.5 ounces in weight of green onions. And make sure you chop the ends to your green onions up as well. Here I have 2 cloves of garlic. I've cut them in half. Take a garlic press and press the garlic. And there we go. Next, rinse off your fresh parsley and 1 medium-sized lemon off with cold water. Here I have 2 ounces in weight of fresh parsley. I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to chop the parsley up really fine until it resembles coarse crumbs, like how you see here. Take a knife and cut 1 medium-sized lemon in half. Next, you're going to rinse off your salmon with cold water. Take your fingers and gently pull the skin off of the salmon. Now, this should be fairly easy to peel. Now, if it doesn't work, you just take a knife and you can trim off the skin off of the salmon and go from there. And there we go. Okay, let's season and marinate our salmon. So I place the salmon into a medium-sized bowl. Add a half a teaspoon of Tony Saturated Grill Seasoning, a half a teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 1/4 teaspoon of mesquite seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of hickory liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of mesquite liquid smoke, and squeeze half of a lemon. It's about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Take your hands and coat the seasonings, the liquid smoke, and the lemon juice onto the salmon. Place this into your refrigerator and let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started with cooking our penne pasta. So in this medium-sized 4-quart pot, I've added 1 1/2 quarts of water in there. It's more close to 2 quarts. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of salt in there. Give this a quick stir. Let this come up to a simmer. Add 9 ounces in weight of your penne pasta in there. Give this a quick stir. Let this simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. It's been about 10 minutes now. Make sure you taste test your pasta to ensure that it is nice and tender. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Add your penne pasta into a large strainer. Rinse the penne pasta off with cold water. Let the penne pasta sit in the strainer for about 15 minutes or until you're ready to add it into the pasta sauce. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started with cooking our salmon. So in this large saucepan, I let it get hot for about 1 to 2 minutes. Lightly spread some butter into the saucepan. Add your salmon right on in there. Let this sear for 4 minutes on each side. Alright, here we have the bowl that we marinated the salmon in. And to that, I'm going to add 1/3 to a half a cup of water into the bowl. And I'm also going to add a light sprinkle of salt to that. I'm going to swirl the water around the bowl and add that into the saucepan. From there, you're going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes now, and as you can see, most of the water has been evaporated. That's exactly what we're looking for. It's a lot of flavor right there. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Let the salmon cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the salmon has cooled a little bit, you're going to take a spatula and you're going to break the salmon up into small pieces. We're basically shredding the salmon at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now we're going to set this on the side until we're ready to add it into our pasta sauce. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started making our smoked salmon pasta sauce. So in this large saucepan, I let it get hot for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of salted butter right on in there. Spread the butter around the saucepan. Let the butter melt. Add 1 cup of your chopped green onions right on in there. Give this a quick stir. Let this saute for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add your 2 cloves of pressed garlic and give this a quick stir. Add 1 2/3 cups of heavy whipping cream. And for your seasonings, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 or a half a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, a half a teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 3 teaspoons of Chef Paul's Pizza and Pasta Magic. Now this is a salt-free seasoning here. A half a teaspoon of mesquite seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of hickory liquid smoke, a half a teaspoon of mesquite liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, and squeeze half of a lemon. That's about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, of course. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this simmer for 1 minute. Add 1/3 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese right on in there. Give this a quick stir. Let this simmer for 2 minutes. Add your cooked salmon along with the pan juices right on in there. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this simmer for 1 minute. Add your cooked penne pasta right on in there. It doesn't have to be a certain amount. Just add as much as you like. Give this a quick stir. Let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, your smoked salmon pasta is now done. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, your smoked salmon pasta is ready to be served. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Smoked salmon pasta, made by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including for this delicious smoked salmon pasta. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on X, formerly Twitter, under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go eat and take a bite. Man, the flavor profile of this is outstanding. I mean, the flavors of the salmon, it has that nice smoky flavor to it, and the flavor from all those seasonings as well. Oh my goodness, the combination, y'all, the combination. I can't really explain it. But boy, when I tell you, it is delicious. It is good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. On point. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.